Hi, I'm Owino. Welcome back to my channel. Here we dive into the beauty of cooking, farming, and homemaking in our beautiful village. If this kind of content interests you, karibu sana. Let's connect in the comments below. Today I'm making something a little unconventional for the village. Pizza. Yes, you heard that right. I'll be making pizza for my husband. Most of these ingredients I'll be using, I either got them from the village market or are freshly grown here in my little farm. Now, since we don't yet have a clay oven here in the village, we'll get creative with what we have. I made a fire and filled a large sufuria with a mix of sand and small stones. You know, it's been raining heavily here, so finding dry sand was a bit tricky. But when life gives you rain, you adapt, right? Have you ever tried baking with a makeshift oven like this? Maybe for a cake or even pizza. I've come to love baking over the years. It's like an art form for me now. And making pizza dough? Oh, it's become so enjoyable. For those interested, I'll include the full list of ingredients in the description so you can try this at home for your family too. Speaking of the weather, the rain has cooled everything down, and I'm already dreaming about how lush the plants will be after all this water. A bountiful harvest is something every farmer looks forward to. The pizza dough was starting to take shape now. And by the way, I use bread flour for this dough. I just mixed all-purpose flour and cornstarch. For every cup of all-purpose flour, you use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and there you have your bread flour. So for the toppings, my husband really enjoys beef pizza. So I cut up some spring onions and red onions to help me with the cooking of the mincemeat. I cooked the mincemeat until it turned from pink to brown. Then I added in the spring onions, red onions, some herbs like oregano, sage, and thyme. I added also some black pepper and salt. And wow, just those simple seasonings made it so flavorful. I also fried some bacon, though looking back, maybe I should have skipped frying and let it bake as a topping. Oh well, we live and learn, don't we? I have been mastering the art of making a round pizza crust. And my, oh my, practice sure makes something great. The crust was a bit thin, but I wanted it that way. A great pizza starts with a good dough, then a very good pizza sauce, and this one was really nice. I make my own pizza sauces, and when they're leftovers, I use them for bread or even pasta. I wanted the pizza to pop with color, so I added a mix of bell peppers, yellow, green, and red, along with sliced onions, mozzarella cheese, and orange cheddar cheese. Doesn't that sound delicious? Once the sand and stones in the sofaria were heated up, I carefully placed my pizza in. The temperature was just right, like a little slice of heaven. There is something so fulfilling about finding joy in the simplest things, like making a meal for your loved ones. I let the pizza bake for about 20 minutes, checking now and then to make sure it didn't burn. And yes, you can even bake cakes using this method. It works like magic. When I finally pulled the pizza out, I couldn't stop smiling. It came out perfectly baked, golden and aromatic. My husband was thrilled. We shared a few slices together, laughing as the sun dipped behind the clouds. The sounds of animals grazing and birds singing made it feel like such a wholesome moment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's continue sharing this beautiful moment of village life together. That's it for today. Bye. We shall try again tomorrow.